I will tell very brief. Today is appearance day for Krishna. We should not say to take birth because he did not take birth. He appeared. He did not took birth from the womb. He appeared. The place where he appeared, now we call that Janmasthal, place of birth, we call. But actually we should call place of appearance. Technically anyway, that's a different way. So today two energies appeared at same time. One Mahamaya, one Lord Krishna. Both appeared together at same time. And they transferred place from one place to other. You all know.
Yeah.
So what is that Mahamaya? We are never discussing that topic. And when Kansa took that girl and wanted to kill, he lifted her from feet just to throw. She flew away from the hand of Kans and she says, your killer has taken birth. Okay. I could kill you, but I didn't kill you because you have touched my feet. Unknowingly you touched my feet. So this is just grace for the benefit of touching my feet. I am not finishing you just now. But your killer has appeared. He has taken birth. And she goes away. And where she goes? She goes to Vindhyachal Parvat, mountain called Vindhyachal. There the ruling deity is called Vindhyavasini. So that Mahamaya is there. And Krishna got all his major works done by Mahamaya. He did something, but major works he got done by Mahamaya. Mahamaya's energy form, Divine Mother's form. So whenever you happen to go to UP, try to go to Vindhyachal, seek the blessings of that Mahamaya, because without her blessings, Krishna's blessings are somewhat lacking something. I will not say other thing. Third thing about Krishna, what Radha was actually with Krishna. Why so much importance has been given to Radha? Krishna says Radha is my energy. How close connection was between Krishna and Radha. You should all try to learn these things. And today is the appearance day for Divine Mother Kali. Same Muhurt, same everything. But since she belongs to Tantra Mahavidya aspect, so people have forgotten a lot of practices out of Tantra, but she is the Adya Shakti. Energy in the beginning. Every energy originates from Kali. And when you read Kali books, or you go in depth of the Krishna, then she says Kali, Mam Purush Rupo Krishnavasi. My male format is Krishna. So, and today on this Ashtami, there is one more powerful deity belonging to this. Not appearance or not birthday actually, but his importance there on this Tithi, Ashtami, is called Kal Bhairav. So today's Tithi is very important with Kali, with Krishna, with that Mahamaya and with Kal Bhairav. I had given collective mantras of 3 deities in one. 4th I did never give because I never felt so seriously about people. They are not interested in learning. They all want to listen stories. So Mahamaya I never gave the topic. But we did one quotation about Vindhyavasini in Kashi. There she appeared and gave lot of knowledge. Today I am not discussing those, but today's day is very important. So when you go home, do whatever you can do for all these 4 deities together. Either you can do more or you can do less, it's all up to you. Or try to seek their benefit. Okay? So good luck for everybody.